Welcome to the world of unstoppable machines, where raw power meets cutting-edge technology. These giants aren't just built tough, they're engineered to perform in the harshest conditions. From deep forest logging to slicing through massive blocks of marble, they take on every challenge with speed and precision. Watch the Kirpan GP8DF and timber crane work in perfect sync, see the GS220 glide through stone, and witness the Iron Rhino tear through rock. Whether it's crushing concrete, clearing land, or recycling scrap, this powerhouse lineup proves that modern machinery has no limits when it comes to productivity. The Kirpan GP8DF, paired with the JSP Wilson timber crane, is a dream team in the logging world. These two work together to quickly grab, cut, and move trees with pinpoint precision. The result? Faster logging and way more productivity. The GS220 is a beast in marble processing. With 20 razor-sharp diamond wires, it slices through 3-meter-thick marble like butter, all while reaching speeds of 30 miles per hour. It's fast, accurate, and built for massive construction projects. Caterpillar 65B excavator. Nicknamed the Iron Rhino, the Caterpillar 65B is tearing through the Sisiyon mine. Its sheer power allows it to crush even the hardest rocks with ease, scooping up tons of earth and rock to fill up trucks non-stop. The Gear R150 FDR is a concrete crushing monster, handling up to 300 tons per hour. It chews through huge concrete blocks and moves swiftly between job sites, slashing transport costs and boosting recycling speed. Meet the Low Scorpio 550, an icy powerhouse. With a smart conveyor system and non-stop operation, it processes ice efficiently with almost zero downtime. A must-have for high-volume ice handling. 7 Zambian Kwacha Land Clearing Machine. With a 7-meter working width, the 7 Zambian Kwacha makes land clearing quick and easy. It removes stones and gravel fast, preparing fields for planting. Farmers love its smart design and powerful hydraulic system. Duan's heavy hauler is moving a jaw-dropping 120-ton load with ease. Packed with advanced hydraulics, it's built for extreme transport challenges, showcasing both mechanical power and human expertise. Kogan 830 Mobile Excavator. At a materials yard in Wales, the Kogan 830 stands out. It offers powerful loading and unloading with a wide reach. An elevated cab gives operators better visibility, improving safety and productivity. Caterpillar D11N Bulldozer. With a 350 horsepower diesel engine, the Cat D11N moves massive rocks like they're nothing. Its blade hits with hundreds of tons of force, easily breaking up boulders and shaping landscapes. Recycling Plant X. Every day, Recycling Plant X transforms scrap from cars and trucks into usable steel. It helps reduce waste and supports industries like construction by turning old metal into new possibilities.